Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel GK Study with Akanksha. First question is: which state government has launched a campaign to revive 75 small rivers and tributaries in July 2025? A. Maharashtra, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Gujarat. Correct answer is B. Question number 2: where is the 75th Pradhan Mantri Divasya Kendra inaugurated in Uttar Pradesh? A. Badao, B. Kanpur, C. Lucknow, D. Varanasi. Correct answer is A. Question number 3: which state has launched India's first tribal genome project to tackle inherited diseases? A. Gujarat, B. Maharashtra, C. Himachal Pradesh, D. Uttarakhand. Correct answer is A. Question number 4: the Musi River that was recently seen in news is a major tributary of which river? A. Yamuna, B. Krishna, C. Godavari, D. Narmada. Correct answer is B. Question number 5: which state government has launched a plantation drive to plant 2.5 crore saplings in one day under the Haryalo mission in July 2025? A. Haryana, B. Rajasthan, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Gujarat. Correct answer is B. Question number 6: Napni waterfall that was recently seen in news is located in which state? A. Gujarat, B. Karnataka, C. Maharashtra, D. Kerala. Correct answer is C. Question number 7: where is the country's first fully indigenous 50 kilowatt geothermal power plant being set up? A. Sikkim, B. Himachal Pradesh, C. Arunachal Pradesh, D. Meghalaya. Correct answer is C. Question number 8: what is the name of the AI powered chatbot launched by the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship? A. Skillbot India, B. AI Sakhi, C. Skill India Assistant, D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Question number 9: which state has launched the Gram Urja model to promote energy self-sufficiency and rural employment in July 2025? A. Karnataka, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Gujarat, D. Maharashtra. Correct answer is B. Question number 9: India's first equine disease free compartment is located in which city? A. Dehradun, Uttarakhand, B. Meerut, Uttar Pradesh, C. Jaipur, Rajasthan, D. Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is B. Question number 11: where was the country's largest automobile Gati Shakti multi-modal cargo terminal recently inaugurated? A. Haryana, B. Gujarat, C. Rajasthan, D. Telangana. Correct answer is A. Question number 12: National e-Vidhan application is developed under which ministry? A. Ministry of Home Affairs, B. Ministry of Panchayati Raj, C. Ministry of Defense, D. Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. Correct answer is D. Question number 13: which village in Tripura has become the first green village of the state? A. Silgati, B. Amtali, C. Amarpur, D. Rangachera. Correct answer is D. Question number 14: which organization introduced the Yasoda AI initiative to expand women access to AI and cyber security training? A. Niti Aayog, B. Ministry of Women and Child Development, C. National Commission for Women, D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Question number 15: which state is the third to approve a space industrial policy following Karnataka and Gujarat? A. Maharashtra, B. Odisha, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Kerala. Correct answer is C. Question number 16: Sipkila Pass is situated in which state? A. Uttarakhand, B. Sikkim, C. Himachal Pradesh, D. Assam. Correct answer is C. Question number 17: which ministry has launched the MCA 21 portal for automating corporate legal processes? A. Ministry of Finance, B. Ministry of Law and Justice, C. Ministry of Corporate Affairs, D. Ministry of Home Affairs. Correct answer is C. Question number 18. India's first hydrogen fuel cell buses has been launched in which city? A. Indore, Madhya Pradesh. B. Dehradun, Uttarakhand. C. Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. D. Leh Ladakh. Correct answer is D. Question number 19. Which state government has declared heat waves, sunstrokes, and sunburns as a state specific disaster in April 2025? A. Telangana. B. Bihar. C. Punjab. D. Odisha. Correct answer is A. Question number 20. Which state government has initiated the Adarsh Sanskrit Village program to promote the ancient language of Sanskrit? A. Himachal Pradesh. B. Haryana. C. Odisha. D. Uttarakhand. Correct answer is D. Question number 21. What is the name of the new portal introduced by government to monitor food storage depots in real time? A. Grain Tracker. B. Depot Darpan. C. Storage Suraksha. D. Bharat Bandhan. Correct answer is B. Question number 22. The Kaleshwaram lift irrigation project is located in which state? A. Telangana. B. Karnataka. C. Maharashtra. D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is A. Question number 23. Border Road Organization functions under which ministry? A. Ministry of Home Affairs. B. Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. C. Ministry of Defense. D. Ministry of Tourism. Correct answer is C. Question number 24. Nai Disha initiative was launched in which city to reintegrate school dropout into the education system? A. Jaipur. B. Bhopal. C. New Delhi. D. Chennai. Correct answer is C. Question number 25. Which state government has launched Be Smart initiative to accelerate major infrastructure projects? A. Karnataka. B. Odisha. C. Bihar. D. Jharkhand. Correct answer is A. Thank you. I hope you like the video.